Gotta play around with my synthesizers. If anyone has a track they want to submit for a theme music, feel free. All right. Hello, folks. Welcome to Friday. We have a fun thing going on today, which is that our friend Jake from Soracom has dropped off this IoT Starter Kit because I'm going to be trying to make a project in time for the Soracon upcoming conference in April in San Francisco, and we'll look at that in a second. So I'm really excited to get this thing open. They've got a table of contents on the back that's kind of giving away the inside. So take a quick peek. Now let's look at the internet for a minute and we'll see what we're actually about to unbox. So we're looking at the Soracom IoT Starter Kit. This is basically enabling IoT connectivity over cellular for all kinds of devices. Everything from your own little DIY prototype all the way through products like Pocket Talk. You know, I was going to save this for later, but let's look at it now. This is a Soracom connected translator device that I think is being used in the Olympics. I could be wrong there, but I think, yeah. Anyway, translate sight and sound in the palm of your hand. Look at this cool thing. So this is a full-fledged product that's already gotten a bunch of media coverage, and it's powered by Soracom. So cool. I kind of want one, except that I want to learn all the languages myself instead. The other thing I was going to say is DIY devices. Oh, yeah. And, I see. We got spammed. Here we go. Yeah. They've also just released mobile eSIM data service for iPhone and iPad. So, you know, you can go basically all the way from a DIY IoT prototype all the way to an iPhone. All kinds of cool stuff that they're doing. And they have a management console, connect and control IoT networks from one SIM to millions, use the built-in web console and API to manage connections, build dashboards, create private IoT networks, and connect directly to the cloud. So they're all about security and cross-platform compatibility. You're not bound into one particular cloud. You can use whatever service you want. AWS. I'm looking at using maybe Mozilla IoT. I've never explored it before. Could be cool. I've got over a month, so why not? Rapid deployment, ease of use, complete control. Oh yeah, pay only for what you use. They're in over 130 countries. And what was it? Oh yeah, the no minimums is pretty cool. If you scroll down, you can see a video and some more information about that. Where does it say? Yeah, basically there's no minimums on the amount that you use. You only pay for what you do use. Connect with the strongest available coverage over 2G, 3G, LTE, Cat M1, and LPWA networks. Redonkulous. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. So you can explore this more on your own. The link is, as usual, in the description. I did want to look at a couple of the other applications. There's this smart wheelchair cool thing. I saw that a while ago at CES. Mohib and I were racing them, and they're really fun. So it's cool that they're working with Soracom. Here's the Pocket Talk translator. So cool. Precision irrigation service. A lot of these talk about how you can use just a little bit of data, and that helps you be more sustainable as well because you're using less power to send that data over wireless connection. Really cool. And then Bee Hero, you know, you can support the bees. Fantastic. So here's the info on Soracon. That link is also in the description. It's on April 13th this year. It's my friend's birthday. Cool. I'll be at that event. And Soracom has, of course, their own hub on Hackster. In fact, they did a whole contest a little while ago. I'm really excited about these. There were a ton of cool projects, but also a lot of them were actually focused on sort of sustainability. So we got river monitoring, you could do citizen science type stuff, portable air quality monitor, make sure that what you're breathing is safe, urban quality monitoring system, aquarium monitoring. You've got, I forget what Follow My Paws was, but you've got a water aid project, drowsiness monitor for safer driving through computer vision. All this cool stuff. Smart agriculture. Man. In fact, yeah, the Hackster Impact Prize for this one went to Alejandro, whom we interviewed a little, a while ago, Alejandro Sanchez. and you can check that out also in the description of this video. Oh, this is just going to start off with me yelling, but it goes pretty quickly to Alejandro showing off his cool device. Look at that. It's in a cassette case, I think. It's so cool. Oh, wow. Another winner, which actually is embedded in Soracom's own page. This is a Hackster project, but it's, yeah, beautifully. They did a beautiful job of like embedding all the projects into their own page. It looks gorgeous. Yeah, this air quality monitor that you looked at a second ago. One thing I think is cool about this is that this IoT starter kit includes a Raspberry Pi Zero W, which I think is cool, and I'm excited to play with that, for one. But also, this person was using a particle boron with a couple of things that were... So boron is a board that's made by Particle IoT, and it's a mesh networked particle device that runs on a type of programming that's similar to Arduino with a cloud-based programming interface, and it's designed in an Adafruit Feather compatible form factor. So they used this prototyping add-on for feathers to triple the amount that you could connect to it, and then they connected a particle-powered air quality sensor to that. So I'm really excited because I still have a particle electron sitting around, which is the cellular connected particle device, which I think is also Feather compatible, and I could stick a little SIM in there and connect it to Soracom. I think that'd be really cool. Just because what I'm honestly looking for is probably I want to make some kind of portable smart alarm system so that I don't miss all my appointments, which I've been doing lately. It's really bad, actually. And in this case, a boron would be lower power than a Raspberry Pi and would do everything I need it to do while not needing as much processing power and stuff. So I think that'd be really cool. That's one option I'm considering for this Soracon event. Anyway, tons of cool stuff going on here. I'm going to double check my sound here. We've had some low sound issues lately, but yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Congratulations to the winner here. Look at how well this was thought out. You've got the whole airflow path mapped out. I promise I'm going to get to the unboxing, but I'm just fascinated by all this stuff. Look at this. They did a whole cost breakdown, including the acrylic cement. Haha, so cool. Beautiful circuit diagram. Yeah, so we already looked at Mozilla IoT, the Pocket Talk system, the I stuff. Oh yeah, and finally, before we go to the unboxing, if you are also curious about how you actually get started with this, check out the live webinar. It's the last link in the description. That's going to be on March 3rd at 9 a.m. Pacific, so it should be good for lots of people across the... Anyway, broad variety of time zones should work with this. Getting started with Soracom, live webinar, don't miss it. I'm probably going to watch it because I think I could use a little extra help getting started. But yeah, very exciting. So, enough of that. Let's look at the real world. Soracom, well, it's real from me. On the back here, not to rub it in, but I'm just excited. Okay, to get started, visit Soracom.io/IoT Starter Kit for projects. Everything you need to connect to the cloud and create your first IoT project. Raspberry Pi Zero W, WH? I'm not familiar. And official case, USB modem stick, Soracom Air Global SIM, yeah, micro SD card and micro SD card reader and writer, ultrasonic sensor and LED, so you can do distance sensing, micro USB to USB-A cables, connected to your computer, breadboard and jumper wire cables. Beautiful. I should actually, that's the one URL I didn't pull up on my computer. Let's pull it up right now. Soracom.io/IoT-starter-kit. Neat. Oh, look at all this. They've got your sample project, ultrasonic rangefinder. They've got all the... This is beautiful. Stop. Oh, and a Huawei 3G USB modem. I think that was on the list. Yeah, USB modem stick. That's the particular one. $10 starter kit coupon. Ooh. Yeah, look at this. Ah. You people, your documentation is just out of this world. Stop. It's too good. Wow. All right, back to the real world. And cool little design on here. Get this guy open. Ooh. Yeah. Wow, cool. Here is our modem, cellular modem. USB stick. I'm secure, it says. Check contents if seal is broken or void displayed. Well, I'm just gonna get that. Get it open. I know this is maybe not the most exciting part for you, but I want to just get everything out and have a look at it and how it maybe goes together. So here we have, whoop-a-doop. Ye old modem. Comes with a whole warranty card and a little booklet of safety information. So much safety information. Yeah, here we go. Neat. There we go. Plugged in over there. Very secure cap. Dang. Does this open up somehow, or is that a button? What is it? Well, I'm sure there'll be instructions. Okay, so this is I believe this is the micro SD card writer. There we go. That's adorable. I'm gonna use that for everything. Ha! And we have a micro USB to USB-A adapter. Interesting. I wasn't expecting the USB-A side to be female. Oh, I guess. Huh. Oh! This is so that you can plug the modem into the Pi, I bet. If I pull this open, then that goes into there, and then that plugs into the Pi, presumably, because the Pi 0W has got only small USB micro ports. Here is a micro USB to USB-A cable, which might be for powering the Raspberry Pi. We've got some little female to male breadboard guys. You can put the resistor and LED into there, if you so desire. You've got the ultrasonic distance sensor. You've got breadboard and some more male to female breadboard jumper wires. We've got the Raspberry Pi case. Brightness is a little high. You can't really see that. There we go. Now everything's visible. And the glasses are in frame. And then finally, Yos! Is this a Pi? Oh, it sure is! Cool! So, Pi 0W, Raspberry Pi, case. So the cool thing about these cases is that you can put, for example, you can plug in the camera and put it in here. You can put the little breadboard guys through there. Not breadboard, headers through there. Or you can just have it be its own little sort of self-contained thingamajig. I think it goes like this. No, it's wrong. I think it goes like that. Oh yeah, so that way you've got your SD card all fine. You can still access the headers from the other side. Got a little camera connector guy. And then there's your micro USB attachment points. And you can, there we go. Oh, it snaps on a little. That's so cool. So presumably we can just, it even notes which one of the ports is for devices and which one is for power, which is really useful. Here's a little mini HDMI. Don't get at me. I don't remember if it's like mini HDMI or micro HDMI or HDMI mini or something like that. They all go together in my head. Yeah, so then I would do this for the power. And I'm probably not going to use a camera, but I could. And just do this so that stuff can be connected to it. Beautiful! And we're already most of the way there. It already has a micro SD card in it. I'm not sure what's on there. I'm going to have this hooked up to our monitor in a minute so that, not on the stream, because who knows what will happen, but I'm going to see what's on there. And then if need be, I can use this to overwrite the OS with like a fresh install of Raspbian Buster or something like that. Yeah, cool. Now here is the question, do I need a SIM card? That does not seem to have been in the box. Or am I just overlooking it? Nope. I feel pretty certain that we have one around somewhere. I just haven't been able to find it. So we may not be able to get this up and running on the stream today, but I'm definitely planning to build a project with this, so we'll keep you updated. Neat. So there is the IoT Starter Kit for Soracom. Very exciting. Let's see, just take a quick glimpse at the getting started. So the contents, yeah. I'll just have to dig up that Soracom card. I'm sure we have one somewhere. Because we've been talking to these folks for a while. I've been really excited to work with it. And so now we get the chance and it's just, oh, so exciting. So you connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Raspberry Pi, use a Python script, yay Python, to read the sensor data and send it to Soracom Harvest, and then access Soracom Harvest to see our data. I have not yet signed up for this service, I gotta do that as well. After that, you can easily begin modifying it to add more functionality. You have full control over each step of the project. You can add or change sensors and control interfaces, write additional code for more interactivity, and extend cloud integration with other Soracom services such as Soracom Beam for sending data to custom servers, and Soracom Lagoon for building powerful dashboards. Fantastic! So, you know, even if you don't want to use something standard like AWS or Mozilla IoT, you can go ahead and build your own services very easily and make them look all nice with your custom dashboards. Oh, cool. Well, the first step is create a Soracom account, so I'm not that behind. Yeah, cool. Payment information, From what I can tell, the payment is super low anyway, because you're only transmitting tiny amounts of data. Basic maintenance fee of 6 cents per day for the SIM card. And then there is a data usage fee of, wow, $0.073. So that's 7.3 cents per megabyte of cellular data used. And if you're familiar with sending IoT data over cellular or wireless or whatever, you're typically sending only a few kilobytes max, because you're just sending like little snippets of like temperature is this, you know, air quality is this, water temperature is this, distance in this case would be like, you know, a tiny little integer of some type. And then a Soracom Harvest fee of 5 cents per SIM card per day, first 30 days free. Fantastic. And you can suspend or terminate and disable these services anytime to stop the fees. Stop it, start it, restart it. Cool. Yeah, so all this is stuff that A, I'm not ready to quite do yet, and B, wouldn't be super exciting for you to watch me sort of muddle around with right now. So we'll be back soon. But for right now, ooh, it's preloaded with the Raspberry Pi software, so make sure that you do not format it. Nice. And then it tells you how to set up Wi-Fi and stuff. I said I was going to stop looking through this, but we just got into the hardware part, and I'm like excited now. Fortunately, I have a couple hours before I gotta go, so I might play around with this some more today. For now, thanks for watching. Have an awesome weekend. I hope to bring you more about this cool little kit soon. Go check out the Getting Started webinar on March 3rd, linked in the description to the video. And of course, check out on April 13th, Soracon. The event will be in San Francisco. I'll be there giving a talk, and hopefully with some kind of awesome new project. Very exciting. All right, have a great weekend. We'll catch you soon.